everyone. Now we'll see how to use external CSS, but before that we will see what is the use of external CSS. External CSS is used when you want to apply a CSS style on multiple pages, and you can control the style structure of multiple pages just by changing in one file, that is CSS file. So this is CSS file. I had written like P is a selector. Every time we have to write curly bracket when you are defining any CSS. So I'm applying on paragraph tag. So I'm defining here CSS. P is a selector, that is nothing but tag, curly bracket, then color, colon, blue, and curly bracket close. And this is CSS file. It should not contain any HTML tags like HTML head, title, body. You can here add multiple CSS properties, styles here, and you can apply now this style on multiple pages. But how to do that? And first you have to save this file by extension dot CSS. So I had given this name, give any name, but extension compulsory what you have to give, CSS. So I had given style.css. Now this file I'll be using on multiple pages, means this style I'll be using on multiple pages. But how to use that? You have to use link tag on multiple pages in head section, and you have to call this file. The file name is style.css. Now we'll open another file. So I'll apply this style in another file, that is external CSS. I had made this file. So link tag is used when you want that style into this page. So use link tag. This is attribute for link tag, rel, relation between a media type. So here this is important, which file you are linking here. Okay, so you have to give the reference of that file. So that file where I had defined a CSS, the name of that file was style.css. So that style I'll be using here on which tag? On paragraph tag, because in that file I had defined CSS for p tag. Okay, that is paragraph. So here whenever I am writing here p, whatever message I am writing, text doc I am writing into p tag will be displayed as per defined in style.css. So I had made the color, I had defined color of the text as blue. Okay, so we'll see the output. Same style will apply on another page also. So we'll see one by one. See, now paragraph color is blue using external CSS. Now because that style was defined in another page, okay, and that style I am using here. Okay, now same style I'll be using the style into another page. So this style definition which is in another page I'll be using in multiple files. So I had used in this file name is I had given this file name as external css.html. Okay, and one more file I'll take it. Okay, that is external. I'll just find out. One more file. Now this is another page too. Same style I am applying in another file. See, this is another file I had already created. I had given this name as external css1. That previous file was external css.html. This is external css1.html. Any name you can give, .html you have to give. Now this same style is applied in this also page. So link tag is used. I am using that style in this page also. Okay, so wherever p tag is there, that style which is defined in style.css is applied here also. So you got it now. So you will see output. See, same style is applied in this page also. So when you want to apply into number of pages, use link tag in that page. In HTML tags in head section, that is important part, you have to use link tag. These are necessary attribute and values, but this is compulsory. We are linking that file css properties into this page. You can even apply in multiple page. Hope you understood this. Thank you.